Welcome back. PSI and police constable were arrested at Cullem checkpost on Tuesday. They were arrested while smuggling liquor and petrol across the border in an official jeep. Both the police personnel are attached to Ramnagar Police Station.
अच्छा आज एक्साइज सब इन्स्पेक्टर सुमित आणि फोन केलो की ताणें एक गाडी डिटेन केला तातूंत ताका सस्पेक्टेड कितें पेट्रोल प्रोडक्ट आदळ्ळे म्हणून सेकंडली आमी थंय गेले आनी देन आमी जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन केलें आनीक ते पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट आसा आनीक तातूंत देर वॉज लिकर ऑफ around 26 bottles of McDowell's, around 12 bottles of Kingfisher and other different type of brands were there. And Excise Department has booked the case under Section 5 of Excise Act. And then further we took the custody of the said accused. Incidentally, the accused is the in charge of Ramnagar Police Station, and he has come in official jeep, and he took this liquor and petroleum product which is cheaper in Goa, and he was trying to go cross the border. So we have booked the case against the PSI of Ramnagar and the driver of the that jeep under Section 285 IPC, Section 34 IPC and Section 3 of Petroleum Act 1934.
Our reporter from Cullem, Vivek Prabhu.
Goa police are conducting investigation into the offence registered against the officials of Goa State Cooperative Bank for alleged cheating. Police interrogated the recovery officer of the bank on Tuesday. Noor Ahmed Sheikh had filed complaint against the officials of the bank for auctioning his shop in Panji without following proper procedure for an amount much below the market value.
Noor Ahmed complaint केला regarding Anuradha Sidali. हो अकाउंट आमचो कदंबा ब्रांचीन पणजी लोन अकाउंट थंय आसा तेज्या पद्दतीन आमी कंप्लेन केल्या. हो लोन आमी ताका 2008 दिल्लो 29/8/2000. तो टायमार तेणी फारीक पयशे आमचे केले ना म्हणटो तो डिफॉल्टर जालो. बरो म्हणून मागीर आमी कितें केलें सायड बाय सायड एटॅचमेंट केलो आनी ही एटॅचमेंट करता आसतना आमी पयलीं पुलिशेक सुद्दां इन्फॉर्म केल्ले की आमी ते पार्टीन आमचे डिफॉल्ट जाल्या कारणान आमचे पयशे न भरल्या कारणान तेजे आमी एटॅचमेंट करतले हे पुलिशे कडेन आमी कळयल्ले आनी पुलिशेक कळयल्या उपरांत आमी तो एटॅचमेंट प्रोसेस जो कितें आसा तो आमी केलो. हे ऑप्शन आमी 14 फावटी पब्लीश केला इन्क्लुडींग प्रोक्लेमेशन 14 फावटी पब्लीश केले आनी प्रत्येक टायमार आमकां कमी रेट येतालो. आमी कितें करता पयलीं बँकेचे हित पळयता रिकवरी पयलीं आमची पळयता आनी सायड बाय सायड पार्टीकूय आमी खंय सफर जावपाक दिना. समज सुबेज एक्सेस पयशे येयले जाल्यार पार्टीच्या नांवार म्हणजे पार्टीक आमी हें करता. तर हांगा कितें जालें जे आमचो एमावंट आमकां प्रत्येक टायमार कमी येवपाक लागलो आनी 14वे फावट आमकां 10 लाख येयल्या ते मागीर एक्सेप्ट केले.
Noor Ahmed Sheikh has lodged his complaint to the effect that on 20/5/2008 accused number 1 Mahadev Gaonkar and 4 others, they hatched a criminal conspiracy and auctioned his shop S1 situated on the ground floor of Fatima Chamber, Panji, Goa, without following proper procedure for an amount of rupees 10 lakhs. To accused number 5 Shilpa Pai, which was managed by Mrs. Anuradha Singhbal and Ramchand Singhbal much below the outstanding amount of rupees 23 lakhs and market value. The case is under investigation.
Noor Ahmed Sheikh in his complaint had alleged that the sale and recovery officer conducted the auction of his shop without fixing the reserve price, and also alleged the recovery officer of using rubber seal of the office to execute the certificate of sale without lawful authority. Our reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agiyar, with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik has advised the Parrikar-led government not to have confrontation with the central government. He feels that an independent High Court and state cadre in state will complete the state in its 25 years of statehood. He says he is always ready to help the BJP-led government to press for special provision for the state.
State government, our government should avoid any confrontation with the state government. It will not be in the interest of the state to have any confrontation with the central government. If there are issues really of the state interest, and if the government has to take up the issue, whole state will be for it and nobody will deny that thing. But simply because there is a government of the other party, the state government should not try to have any confrontation. And those sort of confrontation, see, some other state chief ministers, the high profile chief minister, they can afford. I don't think our chief minister can afford to have that much of confrontation.
Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik held a press briefing in Panji on the eve of Goa Statehood Day.
Two things to make the state complete, I would say that way. We have got so many things. We have got university, colleges, this thing, that thing. One is High Court, and one is our state cadre. High Court I have not been pursuing for the last 4-5 years because there is no consensus.
He said that he will support the BJP government with the demand of special provision to the state of Goa.
If this government also pursues the issue, it is most welcome. And since one of their members, Mr. Matani Sardanya, 8 Sri Matani Sardanya, was very much in favor of giving Goa the special provisions, it will be, I think it will also be their duty to take up the issue with the central government. In this case also, if it is done, I am there to follow.
When questioned about the Kortalim by-poll, Shantaram Naik said that he will comply with the CLP's decision to speak only after 100 days of completion of the BJP-led government in the state. Our video journalist from Panji, Tulsidas Chari.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.